Have you ever considered the immense power that lies within your subconscious mind? Just pause a moment and let that sink in. There exists within each of us a force so potent, so transformative, it could potentially change the course of our lives. That force is our subconscious mind. In his groundbreaking book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Dr. Joseph Murphy uncovers the profound influence our subconscious mind has on our everyday life. He draws on years of research and personal experience to present a compelling case for the power of the subconscious mind in shaping our reality. Imagine for a moment a vast ocean. The surface of the ocean is your conscious mind, the part of your mind that you're aware of, you use to make decisions, think, and interact with the world. But underneath that surface lies a vast, deep, and powerful expanse, your subconscious mind, the part your mind is constantly at work, even when you're not consciously aware of it. It's responsible for your dreams, your habits, your emotions, and your instincts. The part that's always listening, always absorbing, always learning. Dr. Murphy contends that by understanding and harnessing the power of our subconscious mind, we can influence our thoughts, our feelings, and our actions. We can replace limiting beliefs and negative habits with positive affirmations and visualizations. We can become more confident, more productive, and more successful in all areas of our lives. The subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. It simply accepts the thoughts and images we feed it and then works tirelessly to manifest those into our reality. The potential for transformation lies in our subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind is a tool. It's a powerful resource that we can tap into to bring about the changes we desire in our lives. It's like a hidden treasure, waiting to be discovered, waiting to be utilized. As delve deeper into the power of the subconscious mind, we realize that the key to our success lies within us. So, how do we tap into this immense power? Dr. Murphy provides some effective techniques. Firstly, let's delve into the realm of positive affirmation and visualization. These techniques act like the keyboard to your subconscious computer. Positive affirmation is the act of repeatedly declaring positive statements to oneself, either verbally or mentally. This repetition has a profound impact on our subconscious mind, helping it to accept these affirmations as reality. Now, visualization is like creating a mental movie. Imagine yourself achieving your goals, feel the triumph, the joy. Your subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between reality and imagination. This mental movie method is a powerful tool to communicate with your subconscious mind. Now on to gratitude. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a deep appreciation, a sense of wonder, a consciousness of abundance. When we express gratitude, we're acknowledging the good in our lives and thus programming our subconscious mind to focus on positivity, to attract more of the same. Affirmations, on the other hand, are like seeds planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious. They are declarative statements phrased in the present tense and are meant to reflect what we want to be true. For instance, rather than saying, "I want to be confident," affirm, "I am confident." This sends a clear, unambiguous message to your subconscious mind, which then works tirelessly to make that affirmation a reality. The key to these techniques is consistency. Just like how a river cuts through a rock, not due to its power, but its persistence, our continuous efforts in practicing these techniques will eventually shape our subconscious mind. And remember, the subconscious mind doesn't understand complex language or reasoning. It communicates through emotions and images. So, when practicing these techniques, make sure to involve emotions and vivid imagery. Remember, the language of the subconscious mind is emotion and imagery, not words. Prayer is not about asking for things, but about realizing what is already within us. The subconscious mind and prayer share a deep, intrinsic connection, a bond that is often overlooked in our day-to-day lives. They are entwined in ways that go beyond the surface level of our understanding. You see, prayer is not merely a spiritual ritual or a plea to an external entity. It's a potent form of communication with our inner selves, our subconscious mind. Now let's dive a bit deeper into this connection. When we engage in prayer, we are essentially sending a message to our subconscious mind. We are affirming our faith, our beliefs, and our desires. In a way, every prayer is a form of affirmation and visualization. We are visualizing the resolution we seek, the peace we desire, and the love we yearn for. But here's where it gets interesting. The subconscious mind does not differentiate between reality and imagination. It accepts these affirmations and visualizations as the absolute truth. And in doing so, it sets into motion the powerful forces that shape our reality. Think about it. When you pray with conviction, aren't you affirming what you want to manifest in your life? Aren't you visualizing the outcome you desire? And in the process, aren't you communicating your intentions to your subconscious mind? So, how can we harness this power? It's simple. We need to pray with intention, with faith, and with a clear visualization of what we want to achieve. We need to send a clear, concise message to our subconscious mind, and we need to do it consistently. But remember, prayer is not about begging or pleading. It's about acknowledging the power that resides within us, the power of our subconscious mind. It's about realizing that we already possess all the answers, all the solutions, and all the strength we need. All we need to do is tap into it. Prayer is a powerful tool that connects us with our subconscious mind and the universe. Our subconscious mind is a fertile ground, but what happens when it is littered with mental blocks? Mental blocks, that's a term we've all heard, but what does it mean? Picture a river flowing freely, then suddenly a beaver builds a dam. The water's path is blocked, it struggles to find a new route. Our minds work in a similar way. We are that river, and mental blocks are those dams. These blocks are self-imposed barriers, limiting beliefs or habits that hinder our progress and keep us from achieving our true potential. So where do these mental blocks come from? They're often the result of past experiences, negative self-talk, or societal expectations that we've internalized. When we repeatedly tell ourselves that we can't do something, our subconscious mind starts to believe it. Over time, this belief solidifies into a block, creating a wall between us and our goals. But the good news is mental blocks aren't permanent. Just as they are formed, they can be dismantled. How, you ask? By harnessing the power of our subconscious mind. The first step is identification. Recognize the mental blocks that are holding you back. Are you doubting your abilities? Are you afraid of failure? Once you've identified these blocks, you can start to challenge them. Question their validity. Are they based on facts or mere assumptions? Next, replace these limiting beliefs with positive affirmations. Instead of telling yourself, "I can't," tell your subconscious, "I can and I will." Remember, your subconscious is like a fertile soil. It doesn't discriminate between the seeds you plant. Whether you sow seeds of doubt or seeds of confidence, it will nurture them. So choose your seeds wisely. Finally, visualize your success. Picture yourself overcoming your blocks and achieving your goals. When you imagine your success, your subconscious begins to believe in its possibility. It then works tirelessly to turn your visualized dreams into reality. By removing these mental blocks, we free our subconscious mind to achieve its full potential. So let's break those dams, let our minds flow freely, and reach for the stars. Forgiveness is not about the other person, it's about freeing ourselves. Let's delve into this a bit deeper. The power of forgiveness is a monumental force, often overlooked in our quest for self-betterment. It's not merely an act of kindness towards those who have wronged us, but a crucial step in liberating our subconscious minds. As we journey through life, we inevitably encounter situations and individuals that cause us distress. That's a part of being human. But when we harbor resentment, we unknowingly create mental blocks that hinder our subconscious mind from functioning optimally. You see, our subconscious mind is like a vast, fertile field. Negativity, resentment, and grudges are akin to weeds that choke the growth of positive thoughts and beliefs. Now, imagine the act of forgiveness as a diligent gardener. When we forgive, we essentially pull out these weeds, clearing the way for our subconscious mind to flourish. We free up mental space for positive affirmations and beliefs to take root and grow. Forgiveness, however, is not an overnight process. It's a journey, often a tough one, but the rewards it brings are immense. By letting go of past hurts and betrayals, we not only lighten our emotional load but also pave the way for personal growth and transformation. Remember, forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or condoning the wrong done to us. Instead, it's about accepting what happened, learning from the experience, and then moving forward without the heavy baggage of resentment. When we forgive, we make peace with our past. We give ourselves the gift of emotional freedom, and in doing so, we allow our subconscious mind to work its magic, unencumbered by the chains of past grudges. The power of forgiveness is truly transformative. It's a key that unlocks the door to a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. And most importantly, By forgiving others, we are essentially freeing ourselves and allowing our subconscious mind to achieve its full potential.